On National Sports Day, 29th August, celebrated on Major Dhyan Chand's birth anniversary, here is a quick throwback to how the country's greatest hockey player dominated the golden era of Indian hockey. He is known as the Hockey Wizard of India as well as Hockey Ka Jadugar. Born in Allahabad in 1905, he took after his father and joined British and Indian Army in 1922. He was 16 at that time. Dhyan Chand got so passionate with this game that he spent several hours every day mastering and innovating new techniques in this game. Indian team participated in hockey tournament for the first time in the third Olympiad held at Amsterdam in 1928. India won the championship by 3-0. Out of the 3 goals, 2 were scored by Dhyan Chand in 1932 Olympics at Los Angeles. Indian team under the captaincy of Lal Shah Bukhari again won the championship, and this time India defeated America by 24-1 and thus set a world record. 9 out of 24 goals were scored by Dhyan Chand ji, and from then USA stopped playing hockey. German dictator Adolf Hitler present in the ground in Berlin Olympic 1936, and he couldn't believe the reality which was happening in front of him. Germany totally failed to control one person, and India defeated Germany by 4-1 and clinched the gold for continuous third time. After his stellar performance in the Berlin Olympics 1936, German dictator Adolf Hitler was mesmerized and invited Dhyan Chand at his palace for dinner and offered him high rank in German military and also the German citizenship. But our magician politely declined the offer for the love of his own country, India. He was often called the magician with a hockey stick because once he gets the ball, he dribbles it with his stick. It would seem like ball has been attached itself to his hockey stick. Once the Netherlands authorities broke his hockey stick to check if there is a magnet inside. In a span of 22 years, Dhyan Chand ji scored close to 400 goals in his international career, spanning from 1926 to 1948. In 1956, he was retired from the army, and the government of India awarded Major Dhyan Chand the third highest, and then it was the second highest civilian honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. We can see that India had been a strong hockey team with legends like Major Dhyan Chand.
खेल के क्षेत्र में भारत ने अपनी गौरव और गरिमा पुनः प्राप्त की।